Jordan brand continues to redefine casual performance with the upcoming Jordan Trunner Flow, spotlighting the striking white and gym red colorway. Building on the legacy of the late 1990s Trunner line, this model streamlines the design of the Trunner OS for a sleeker, more approachable look. The upper blends synthetic leather and breathable mesh, while thick midfoot embroidery adds texture and the exterior heel features a futuristic Jordan nameplate. Unlike its predecessor, the Flow drops the midfoot cage and softens the midsole contours for a lighter, simplified silhouette. Designed to meet the growing demand for comfort-forward footwear, the Trunner Flow delivers a casual yet sporty fit at an attractive $85 MSRP. By combining heritage-inspired styling with modern comfort, it offers an accessible entry point for those shifting from bulky retro models to low-cut performance shoes. Expect the white and gym red edition to release in late 2025 into early 2026.